Looking to download apps on your Windows 11 PC or laptop? How's it going everyone? Welcome back to the Guiding Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can actually download and install any apps on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video guys. Well, so now to download and install any apps on your Windows 11 PC or laptop, the very first thing that you need to do, you just need to go ahead and open up the search bar from your computer and search for store. And once you have searched for a store, you'll get to see the Microsoft Store as you get for the mobile device like Play Store, App Store. So Microsoft has its own store, the Microsoft Store. So you just need to open the Microsoft Store from here and it will redirect you to the Microsoft Store. And once you're here inside the Microsoft Store, you'll get to see all the application that is recommended. So you can actually go through this one. You can check out if you want to download any of these from here. So on the left side, you'll get to see the gaming section. He'll get all the games right here. And also you can go to the app section to get all this app right here. And also if you want to search any specific app, you can go to this search bar at the very top right here and you can search the name right here. Let's say I'm going to search for Instagram right here, for example. So I'm going to search for Instagram, and once you have searched for it, the apps will be coming up right here. So you just need to click on this one. And this will take you to this page. Now to install this app, go ahead and click on Get, and it will be loaded and started downloading. And the installation is done. Go ahead and click on open and you can open the application. And similarly, you can download and install any apps from the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Hope you find this pretty helpful guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.